Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today I'm making paneer pepper masala. This is very easy and it has a wonderful taste, a unique aroma from the fennel seeds and the peppercorn. For this I've used 400 grams of paneer which I'm boiling it in some water because this makes the paneer really soft. I've used 2 packets which is 200 grams each. And to this I'll be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is optional. You can just boil it even without the salt. I boil it for about 5 minutes and just remove this froth that collects on the top. So we'll just get it to a boil and keep it aside. For the masala, I've used about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. And to this we'll be adding 2 finely chopped onions. I've used medium sized onions. If you want more masala, you can add 3. We'll fry it till the onion gets a bit transparent. And now I'm adding 3 finely chopped green chilies. You can add this according to your taste. You can either increase it or decrease it. Since we'll also be adding pepper, so please keep that in mind. We'll not be using red chili powder for this. Salt to taste, I've added about 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of freshly ground ginger garlic paste. We'll fry this till the raw aroma from the ginger garlic paste goes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and do let me know in the comments section from where you're watching my video. I've added about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and about a little more than 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. We'll be adding more a bit later. We'll be grinding a special masala for this, so I'll be using peppercorns even in that. Now we'll add in 4 tomatoes, medium sized tomatoes. If you wanted a kind of a dry masala, then you can just add about 2 to 3 tomatoes. 2 tomatoes would be fine if you just want a dry kind of a paneer, but if it's a gravy, you have to use at least 3 or 4 tomatoes. You can also use tomato puree, but it's better to use the tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. This is the masala we'll make. I've used about 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of fennel or saunf, 2 pieces of clove, 1 green cardamom, 1 small piece of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of pepper. It's just about 1/4 inch, and star anise, I'm just taking 3 petals of it, and 1 bay leaf. This is a special masala that we'll be using for this paneer pepper masala. This is really flavorful and it tastes amazing in the paneer gravy. So this is a must try recipe if you are a paneer lover. I'm going to roast all these ingredients to bring out and enhance their flavors even more. And then we'll grind it to a paste. I've already ground it to a paste and I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons of this masala to the tomato gravy. Mix it well, and then we'll add in the paneer. I boiled it, strained it and kept it aside. Please don't throw the water. We need the whey protein. It has a lot of whey protein in it, which is really nutritious. So instead of adding water, we'll be using the same water that we used to boil the paneer. So since if you add salt in this while boiling, then please keep that in mind when you're adding salt to this masala. Now I've added the rest of the whey protein that I had. If you don't use it in the paneer gravy, you can also use that water to knead your dough to make rotis. This is highly nutritious and it's very high in protein, so don't throw it away. So now I added enough water and I'm going to let it cook for some time. Add in some fresh curry leaves to the gravy and some fresh chopped coriander leaves. And the paneer pepper masala is ready. It's smelling amazing and it goes really well with parathas and even zeera rice. So I'll be sharing the Zira rice recipe as well. So please watch out for that recipe